My name is Michael Lollmann. I'm with Nemaha Valley Seed and Services in Brock, Nebraska. We are a pioneer independent sales rep and supply our customers with cover crop seed. So I started using cover crops on my own farm in 2014. I saw immediate benefits with erosion control, weed suppression, building organic material in the soil, and retaining soil nutrients. All important things in rehabilitating a farm after it's gone through a major overhaul like that. Drone application for me was a no-brainer because of timing. In southeast Nebraska, we have to apply cover crop ideally before it rains to get good stand establishment of the cover crop. Typically the airplanes, which would be a normal application around here, are usually finishing up a fungicide season, and it's kind of tough to get them to make that application if they have to switch an airplane over. So with the drone technology, it's fast, it's easy, and does a really good job. For more information on cover crop seed, reach out to myself or give Kevin a call about application today.